The information provided by Michael Beebe and this channel is for educational and informational purposes only. Michael Beebe is not a licensed financial advisor or investment professional. The content presented does not constitute financial, investment, or legal advice. Before making any financial decisions, it is strongly recommended that you seek advice from a qualified financial advisor or investment professional who can provide personalized guidance based on your individual circumstances. Investing in cryptocurrencies and other financial instruments involves significant risk and may not be suitable for all investors. Past performance is not indicative of future results, and there is no guarantee that any investment strategy will achieve its objectives. Michael Beebe and this channel are not responsible for any losses or damages arising from the use of this information or from any decisions made based on the content provided. Always conduct your own research and consider your financial situation, risk tolerance, and investment goals before making any investment decisions.
Welcome to our guide on cryptocurrency tips for beginners. In this first segment, we're going to focus on a critical step in your crypto journey, educating yourself. Before diving into the world of cryptocurrencies, it's vital to build a solid understanding of the basics. At its core, cryptocurrency relies on blockchain technology. Think of blockchain as a digital ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. This decentralized system ensures that the information is secure and transparent, making it nearly impossible to alter past records. Understanding this technology will give you a foundation for grasping how cryptocurrencies operate. Next, familiarize yourself with the major players in the crypto world. Bitcoin, created by the mysterious figure Satoshi Nakamoto, was the first cryptocurrency and remains the most well-known. It's often referred to as digital gold due to its store of value properties. Ethereum, on the other hand, introduced the concept of smart contracts, self-executing contracts, with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. These are just two examples, but there are thousands of cryptocurrencies out there, each with its own purpose and technology. To build your knowledge, dive into various resources. Books are a great starting point. Titles like Mastering Bitcoin by Andreas M. Antonopoulos offer in-depth knowledge. Online platforms like Coursera and Udemy provide structured courses that cover everything from the basics to advanced topics. Additionally, reputable websites like Investopedia and CoinDesk offer articles and tutorials that can help you stay informed about the latest developments. As you learn, don't just stick to one source. The cryptocurrency space is constantly evolving, and new developments happen frequently. Follow industry news from reliable sources like Cointelegraph and Bloomberg Crypto. Engaging with online communities and forums, such as those on Reddit or specialized crypto groups, can also offer insights and discussions that are valuable for expanding your understanding. It's also important to understand the different types of cryptocurrencies and their use cases. Bitcoin is primarily seen as a store of value or investment, while Ethereum powers decentralized applications and smart contracts. Other cryptocurrencies, like Ripple, XRP, and Litecoin, LTC, have their own unique features and functions. Moreover, keep in mind that the crypto world involves a lot of jargon and technical terms. Don't get overwhelmed, take your time to learn and ask questions. There are many resources available to help you understand terms like wallets, exchanges, mining, and staking. As you educate yourself, remember that knowledge is power. The more you understand about how cryptocurrencies work, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions and navigate this exciting and often complex space. So, take the time to thoroughly educate yourself. With a strong foundation, you'll be well prepared to explore the world of cryptocurrency with confidence and curiosity.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out the rest of my channel for more great content. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Your support means the world to me. See you in the next video.